Hi, Peter. Good evening. Peter, please unmute yourself once you're ready, okay? Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello. Where are you now?
I'm fighting teacher.
Okay, well, that's good. Where are you? Where are you, Peter? Are you in
I'm
your
in a,
house?
yes.
Oh, you're in your house now. Okay, that's great. Now, let me share my screen. Can you tell me first, what did you do in the morning? What did you do in the morning, Peter? Did you play with your friends? Yes, Peter. Is your connection okay?
No.
No. Okay. Can you try to fix it first? Okay, well, you can fix it and tell me once it's okay, then we can start. But I can hear you clearly, Peter. I can hear you loud and clear.
Uh, I don't know.
I think your connection is okay. There's no problem with it. I can hear you clearly. I can hear you clearly, Peter. Okay, so now let us start with this one, shall we? Okay, so for tonight, Peter will have exercise 8, and in here it is your turn to ask me these questions.
Um, what the weather like in your town or city today?
It's sunny and very hot in the morning, Peter, but in the afternoon it suddenly rained.
Uh, what is it usually like in winter?
Well, we don't actually have winter in the Philippines.
What it usually like in spring? Spring.
Well, we don't have a spring either, Peter. We only have rainy and sunny weather.
Do you ever have heat wave?
Yes, we sometimes have heat waves during the hot season, during summer, Peter, in some places.
Do you ever have drought?
Droughts happen occasionally, especially in the dry season.
What What is your favorite spring season?
Well, my favorite season, Peter, is summer because I like the warm weather and it's great for going to the beach. Okay, so now let us proceed to exercise 9. And in here, it is your turn to answer these questions using the language you have learned in this lesson. Can you tell me what is the weather like in your town or city today?
Um, it's very hot.
Oh, okay, I see. What is it usually like in
No.
summer? Yes, Peter.
Uh,
What is it usually like in summer?
I like um
Mùa hè thường như thế nào?
it's hot
Hmm,
and
okay. And
very sunny.
okay, it's sunny and hot, which is very understandable, I must say. Okay, now what is it usually like in fall?
I don't understand.
Fall, Peter. What is it usually like in fall? See, we talked about the weather and seasons, right? What is it usually like in fall? Can you tell me?
Mùa thu thường như thế nào?
You have the four seasons in Vietnam, Peter, though in most of the places, you don't experience snow, but you have winter because still, without snow, it's still cold. But what is it usually like in fall? It's
It's windy.
it's windy. Okay. Now, do you get a lot of storms? Do you get a lot
Uh,
of storms, Peter?
no,
No, you don't. Okay, which is something I have observed too. Do you often have typhoon?
I don't understand.
Oh, okay. But we have talked about the word typhoon last meeting, Peter. Okay, wait. It is a tropical cyclone wherein a certain place will experience strong wind, heavy rain, Peter.
Khu vực của bạn có thường xuyên xảy ra bão không?
Uh, yes,
Oh, yes, you do? Oh, really? Okay, now, what is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
it's winter
Oh, it's winter. Why winter?
because I like cold.
Oh, you like cold. I see. Okay, we're opposite, Peter. I don't like cold. I like hot weather. Okay, now let us have lesson 18 now. Okay, what was your first trip abroad like? Have you been to other countries, Peter? Have you been to China or other countries? Yes, Peter.
I don't understand.
Have you been? Have you traveled outside Vietnam?
Bạn đã từng đi du lịch nước ngoài chưa?
Yes,
Oh, yes. Where did you go?
I go to China.
Oh, you went to China. Okay. So, can you tell me when did you go to China?
Um,
When did you go to China?
I don't know
Oh, you can't remember it now, but why did you go to China? Why did you go there?
because it's beautiful.
Oh, yes, indeed. It is very beautiful, Peter. Okay, just like Vietnam, Vietnam is as well beautiful. Okay, now let us have exercise one. Okay, so the first one is a few years ago.
I don't know.
You don't know a few years ago?
Yes,
Okay, few years ago, Peter, it means 2 to probably 3 years ago. Okay, a few years ago, Peter.
Vài năm trước.
Okay,
okay.
that is what it means. Now, next one, when I was in high school.
I don't
Oh, you don't know? Do you know high school, Peter? Do you know high school?
know. No,
Secondary. Oh, you don't know it. Okay, so it's the same as secondary. Secondary. Just like elementary, Peter, we call it elementary here in the Philippines, but you call it primary in Vietnam, primary school. That is grade 1 to 6 here in the Philippines, but in Vietnam, I believe it's just grade 1 to grade 5. That is your primary school.
uh,
So when I was in high school, Peter, it means I think in Vietnam it's from grade 6 to grade 10. Wait, let me
okay.
translate it so you'll understand it better.
Khi tôi còn học trung học.
Are you already in high school?
Yes,
Oh, yes, you are. Can you tell me what grade are you in? Grade, are you in grade 7, grade 8?
I grade 6.
Oh, you're in grade 6. Okay, indeed, it is high school already in Vietnam. Okay, now in 2019.
Um, it's in a year.
Okay, yes,
Uh,
2019 is the year, right? The year wherein we call it a virus. We had experienced last year, and it's what we call COVID-19. Okay, so that is a significant um situation that had happened in 2019. Now, when I was 5 years old, of course, it means when you were 5. Okay, now, what about yesterday, Peter? What is yesterday?
it's
It's what is it? What is yesterday? It's the day.
They
Okay, when we say yesterday, it is the day before today, right? The day before today. Now, what about last week?
is
Last week, Peter, it's the previous week. Okay, last week, the previous week, Peter, starting from a Monday to Friday last week. Okay, now, next one, a month ago. A month ago, which means since today is it's June, right, Peter? When we say a month ago, that is what month? If today is June, a month ago means it's it's May, right? May. A month ago. May. Okay, so now, Peter, let us practice. And in here, I want you to put the items in order from most distant to most recent. Okay, wait, let me translate the instruction first so you'll be able to answer it more accurately.
Sắp xếp các mục trong danh sách theo thứ tự từ mục xa nhất đến mục gần nhất.
okay.
Okay, so let us start now. Most distant. Which is the most distant?
Is
It's
a few years ago.
okay, few years ago. Mm-hmm. Is it? Okay, let us see. We'll check your answers later, Peter.
In
2019.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
When I was in high school.
Okay. Is this most distant, Peter? When you were when I was in high school, you are already in high school now. You are in high school now. Okay, so when I was 5 years old, yesterday, last week, a month ago.
When I was 5 years old.
Okay, when I was 5 years old. Next one.
A month ago.
Okay, 5.
Is
It's
last week.
last week
And
yesterday. Okay. Can you tell me how old are you now, Peter? How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Oh, you are 10 years old. Okay, wait. Let me see now. Okay, so now this one's correct, Peter. Yesterday, last week, a month ago. Okay, so now let us think. Okay, when you were 5 years old, okay, this is the most distant. In 2019, how old were you when what's your birthday?
Is uh uh
Do you know? When is your birthday?
is um
on
Uh,
do you know, Peter? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. When is your
is
birthday?
September.
Oh, it's September. Okay, so you're turning 11 this September. Okay, I see. So, the answer here, Peter, it should be this one is 3, Peter 2019. Okay, this is the most distant. Okay, so this will be 3 a few years ago. Okay, 2, and this is 1. Okay, because you are in high school now. So, oh, okay, so that is it, Peter. Few years ago. Oh, most recent.
Mm.
Okay, so wait. It should be this one first, okay, for three, 2, and 1. Okay, there you have it, Peter. Okay, so now let us proceed to exercise 2 vocabulary. Now, can you tell me what it means when we say worried?
I don't know.
Okay, now I will translate it in Vietnamese and you have to tell me your idea in English.
Lo lắng,
Lo lắng.
Okay.
What is it, Peter? What does it mean when we say worried?
Is um uh is hmm,
It's
uh
what do you think?
um it's not scary, but it's um
Okay, not scared. When we say scared, Peter, that is different because scared, it means you are frightened because of maybe what might happen or because of something. You are afraid of it. However, when we say worried, it means you are concerned about something. It could be you're anxious about real problems or the ones that could happen. Okay, you are worried about it. Okay, now what about homesick? Homesick.
uh I don't know.
Okay. Now, when we say homesick, Peter, it doesn't necessarily mean that you are at home and you are sick. Okay, that is incorrect. Because in here, it means you are far from your place, Peter, and you miss your family. Okay, you miss your home because they
nhớ
are far
nhà,
from you.
Okay.
Okay, so that is homesick. Now, what about excited?
Uh I don't know.
Okay, you don't know excited. Okay, so when we say excited, Peter, it means you are showing a lot of energy. Like, yay, we're going to the zoo tomorrow. Okay. So you're very happy and you are eager about something because it's something that you are looking forward to. Okay. Excited,
hào
Peter.
hứng,
Like, you can
Okay.
say, I'm excited to go to Halong Bay. Okay, because probably you want to go there for a long time. That is excited. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class tonight, Peter. So we'll review.
Alo ko na.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye, see
Goodbye,
you again.
Peter. Oh, your friend is there.